Good morning. Welcome to maths class, children. Let us continue with chapter number 5, addition of bigger numbers. We have already started with it. We have already done the exercise also. Now we are going to look ahead. Now here we have word problems or story sums which are going to help us in our real life. Okay, so now we have over here, this is page number 81, children. We have done till page number 80, if you remember. Now today we are going to do 81 page number. Now here, application in real life. Okay, now what does it say? Let us see. First, let us read the sum, then we will 24 people 24 people bought. Children, it is not brought, it is bought. Bought means kharida tha. Okay. 24 people bought vegetables from the vegetable seller in the morning. 18 more people than that. 18 more people than that. Remember, this is very, very important. Okay, 18 more people than that bought vegetables from him in the evening. How many people bought vegetables from him in the evening? Only in the evening, okay. So what we are going to do, we know in the morning how many? 24. In the evening how many? 24 and 18. Okay, so we are going to write the numbers over here. 24 plus 18. I'm so sorry, children. Write the places, ones, tens. Then always start from ones place, and this is your ones place. 4 plus 8. First let us read the sum. 24 plus 18. So always start from ones place. Children, this is the ones place. And 4 plus 8. So keep the bigger number in mind, and 8 is a bigger number. So 8 in mind, 4 on hand. Now count forward. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write 2 in ones place and 1 will be carried forward to tens place. Okay. So 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 1, 4. So 42. So our answer is 42 people bought vegetables from him in the evening. Okay, now I have taken the answer line from the question only. Now here it is saying, in the question it is saying how many people. So instead of how many, I am writing 42 people bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought vegetables in the evening. Full stop. Okay, now let us proceed to the next one. Now the next one, children. Raju the car washer washes 18 cars every morning. His friend Monu washes 11 cars every day. Together, how many cars do they wash every day? Now children, remember which word? Together. Together means what? Both of them. Together means what? Both of them. That means Raju plus Monu. Both. So, what we are going to do is 18 plus 11. Isn't it? Is it not very easy? 18 plus 11. So, always start from one's place, write the places first. So, now you can solve it, isn't it? 9, then 2. So, together they wash 29 cars every day. Every day together they wash 29 cars. Okay, we'll write. Now see here, together they wash 29 cars and a full stop. Okay, now the next one. The teacher corrected. Okay, now here the teacher corrected 45 maths book in the morning and 37 maths books in the afternoon. How many books did she correct that day? That means what? Morning and in the afternoon. 45 plus 37. So 45 plus 37. Write the places. Tens, ones. Always begin from ones place. 5 plus 7, calculate and do it on your own, and also write the answer line. So how will you frame the answer? That day she corrected जो भी books आएंगी, ठीक है, number of books. Okay, now let us come to page number 82, children. Page number 82. Okay, what is the topic over here? Regrouping twice. Now we are going to regroup twice. Okay. Now children, here we have add the ones and regroup. Chalo, let's start from here. The newspaper man delivered 68 newspapers in one building and 54 newspapers in another. How many newspapers did he deliver in all? In all, that means plus. So 68 plus 54. Okay, so now over here, what we are going to do is, we'll write the numbers. 68 plus 54. Write the places. Then come to the ones place. Add the digits in the ones place. 8 in mind, 4 on hand. So 12. 2, carry forward 1. Okay. So now 1 plus 6 plus 5. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is what? 7 plus 5 is what? Huh? Yes. 7 plus 5 will be 12. Isn't it? So now we are going to calculate the tens place. Now our second step is to add the tens and regroup them. Okay. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 will be what? 7 in mind, 5 on hand, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 will be written over here. Okay. Then 1 will go to hundreds place and it will be brought down. Okay. So our answer will be, that means what? He delivered 122 newspapers in all. He delivered, or else you can say the newspaper man delivered 122. Do not say 122. 122 newspapers in all. Okay. Now, once again, what did we do? First we regrouped the ones. We carried forward 1 over here in tens place. Then we regrouped the tens, and whatever was extra we sent it to hundreds place. It was carried over, and then we get a 3-digit answer. Okay, now here we have another one over here. 56 plus 79. 56 plus 79. We will always start from ones place. So 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is what? I will make 9 as 10. So this becomes, if I take away 1 over here, 10 plus 5, 15, 15. 5 carried 1, yes. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7. So keep 6 in mind and 7 on hand. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So what will be done? 3 will be written. You see 3 is written over here, and 1 will be brought to hundreds place, and then it will be brought down also. Okay, so it will be 135. It will be 135. Okay, now this is exercise 5B. We are on page number 83. Okay, page number 83, exercise 5B. I will solve few and the remaining you can do it. Now, A and B. Let us solve the B one. Okay, 89 plus 52. Write the places. Oh, write the places. So, 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carried. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 carried 1. And 1 in hundreds place, then 1 will be brought down in hundreds place. Why? Because there is nothing over here. Okay, so 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is 141. Okay, now after that, let us come to C1. Okay. (17 plus 96). 17 plus 96. Let us write the places of the tens, and this will be hundreds. So always start from ones place, isn't it? So 7 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. We know the doubles. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 carried 1. So sorry. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 and again 1 carried forward in hundreds place, and it will be brought down. So your answer is 113. Okay, now try to solve these sums on your own, children. They are very easy, the same way as I have taught. If you have any doubt, you can go through the video once again. Okay, children, thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.